Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. Welcome back to our Spanish classes. In last classes, we learned about hablar verb and cocinar verb, and also we learned about the conjugation of hablar and cocinar, and also we framed statements like positive statement and negative statements with using hablar and cocinar. Now we're gonna see how to frame a question form. Question forms in with this hablar and cocinar also to answer this question forms. Okay. Yo hablo español means I speak Spanish. Okay, so in this I speak Spanish. So if you want to convert a positive statement into a question form in English, how do we convert? We say, do I speak English? Like, do I speak Spanish? Like we'll add usually do. Okay, like I speak Spanish is a positive statement. So to convert this positive statement into a question form, in English we add do and a question form. Do I speak Spanish? If you add do in front of the statement and if you add question form at the end of the statement, it will become a question form. Okay. So now there is no do, does, did in Spanish. Okay, so simply we just add a question forms to this statement. Yo hablo español. Like we simply added a question form at the end and a reverse question mark at the beginning of the statement, the beginning of the question form. In Spanish, there is a rule, like if this is a statement, to form a question, we need to keep a normal question mark at the ending and the reverse question mark at the beginning. This is how we frame a question. So this is a grammar rule in Spanish. So, yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. That is a statement. Yo hablo español. So means, do I speak Spanish? So usually, for every question, there is two answers. One is positive, second is negative. So either yes or no. So do I speak Spanish? Yes, I speak Spanish, or no, I don't speak Spanish. Yes, I speak Spanish. No, I don't speak Spanish. So S is equal to C. C. I is yo, speak is hablo, Spanish is español. So C, yo hablo español. We simply added C in front of the statement. Like I speak Spanish, we simply added yes, it becomes positive statement. So, sí, yo hablo español. This is a positive answer. Now let's look at a negative one. No, I don't speak Spanish. No or not is equal to same no in Spanish. No, yo no hablo español. No, yo no hablo español. So we have to frame a no in front of the statement and also before the verb. No hablo español means I don't speak Spanish. So here the question form we have to observe a reverse question mark and the normal question mark here. And for C is equal to S and no is equal to no. So, yo hablo español. Do I speak Spanish? Sí, yo hablo español. Yes, I speak Spanish. No, I don't speak Spanish. No, yo no hablo español. I don't speak Spanish. So this is how we frame a question and the positive answer and the negative answer. Next, see the couple of statements for this habla verb. ¿Tú hablas español? Means, do you speak Spanish? We're asking question to someone else like, do you speak Spanish? ¿Tú hablas español? So, in the previous one, the similar way, yes or no. The other person will say, if he speaks Spanish, he says, sí, yo hablo español. If he doesn't know Spanish, no, yo no hablo español. So, tú hablas español means question form. Sí, yo hablo español, it's a positive answer. No, yo no hablo español. It is a negative answer. Here, it comes to hablas because we are asking question to somebody else. So first person we're asking to second person, and the other person is telling himself. That is the reason here comes yo hablo, because it's telling about himself. That is the reason the responder should say, sí, yo hablo español. No, yo no hablo español. Él habla español means he speaks Spanish. If we want to convert in the question form, does he speak Spanish? We simply add a question forms. Él habla español. Sí, él habla español. No, él no habla español. So, does he speak Spanish? Él habla español. Sí, él habla español. Yes, he speaks Spanish. No, él no habla español. No, he doesn't speak Spanish. So, here, in place of él, we can also call ella. Ella is equal to she. Él is he, and we can also place any of the name, any name. Any name. For example, my name is Praveen. Does Praveen speak Spanish? Praveen habla español. Sí, Praveen habla español. Does Praveen speak Spanish? Yes, Praveen speaks Spanish. In the negative, no, Praveen doesn't speak Spanish. No, Praveen no habla español. Okay? Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. That is a positive statement. Now we kept a question mark. Nosotros hablamos español means, do we speak Spanish? This is a question form. Sí, nosotros hablamos español. Yes, we do speak Spanish. No, nosotros no hablamos español. No, we don't speak Spanish. So question is, nosotros hablamos español. Sí, nosotros hablamos español. No, nosotros no hablamos español. So this is how do we speak Spanish, and yes, we speak Spanish, and no, we don't speak Spanish. Vosotros habláis español. Like you all speak Spanish. Vosotros habláis español. This is a positive statement. Now it's become a question form. Vosotros habláis español. Do you all speak Spanish? Sí, vosotros habláis español. Yes, you all speak Spanish. No, vosotros no habláis español. So, vosotros habláis español? Sí, vosotros habláis español. No, vosotros no habláis español. Ellos hablan español. Ellos means they. So, they speak Spanish. Now, we'll convert into a question form. Ellos hablan español. It's like, do they speak Spanish? Sí, ellos hablan español. Yes, they do speak Spanish. No, ellos no hablan español. No, they don't speak Spanish. So, ellos hablan español. Sí, ellos hablan español. No, ellos no hablan español. So, this is how we frame the question forms with habla verb statements, and also we framed a positive statements, positive answers, and a negative answers. So, we framed almost like 6 into 3, 18 statements. 6 is question forms. 6 is positive answers, 6 statements are negative answers. So, with just 10 minutes, we learned about 18 statements with the using habla verb. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll come up with the next topic in the coming episode. Thank you so much. My name is Praveen Kumar. I'm signing off.